So I want this to be pretty big because of course it's going to be on the top of my tree. And I want long tails. I like long tails to kind of drape down the tree. I'm going to do, I guess, a 4-foot one. So measure how long you want that tail. And then we're going to pinch it. I don't know, let's see. I might do 2/3. Yeah. So 2/3, 24. So about 16 inches. So I have like an 8-inch loop. The same length. And I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and kind of do it together. And then I'm just going to sit this down. On my table. And then I'm going to make the next layer. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these layers on top of each other. And then I'm pinching it. And then I'm not going to go as far this time because I want these to be a little narrower. I want these loops to be a little narrower so my little gingerbreads stick out in the back. So last time I did 2 of the, like, I don't know if you can see, but I did basically 2/3 of this. This time I'm going to the halfway point. And so now we're going to stick, I'm going to undo my pipe cleaner and I'm going to add this to it. This I'm only going to do 2, just 1 loop on each side. And then this is going to go on the very top. I'm actually going to take a zip tie and put in the center of all this. And then pull it as tight as I can get it. So then you just have to shape your bow. And then now I'm just going to take my tails and dovetail. So y'all, there she is.